below an overpass on Interstate 95, on the outskirts of FDR Park. There are mounds of dirt, rotting couches, and cracked concrete. I fully get this place. This is your average skate park, filled with ramps where kids rebel by skating back and forth every day, like mice on a wheel. Ah, yes, back and forth. Not a care in the fucking world. There seems to be no rules here. You just get your board and you get fun. After that, there's no stopping. If you're new here, I get the impression you should get lost. Just get in their way. Like Pele over there. You should also leave if you can't ride a skateboard. These guys don't miss a beat. They're like graceful bodies on 4 wheels. Beautiful formations. It's getting cold out here, and I'm wondering how long they're just gonna bullshit here. Don't get me wrong, skating's art. To do this all day, when you just go somewhere else. It's seriously just back and forth. That is what everybody's doing. At least they're getting a fire now, that's nice. Huh, a fire. This is like a family almost. Ah, an environment, a community. It's like a big community. For every mouse on a wheel, there's other things for skaters to do. Some of them aren't even skaters. There's definitely more than skating going on in this place. Now all they're doing is planning for a bigger cause. What you first expect when you settle in a place or meet new people is a lot different when you sit down, meet the people, and settle in. A place I personally am not well acquainted with, but hopefully that will change.